This is a video introduction to the Semroc Scissor Wing Transport Kit. Now this is a reproduction of an old Estes kit from the 1970s, and then they re-released it early in 2005, but it's been since discontinued, so Semroc has re-released it as this. It has been upgraded. There's some changes from what Estes did, and I'll talk about that. So this is a rocket boosted glider. So it goes up as a rocket. Then when the ejection charge goes off in the rocket motor, it kicks out this pod. This is called a pop pod, and this comes down on a streamer. As you can see, it's fluttering around. And then as you saw, the wing pivots. This is called scissor action. So the difference is in this kit from the original Estes kit is, first, Semroc has a thicker wall body tube to give it more resilience. So if it nosedives into the ground, it can survive better. They also changed the pivot mechanism here, what the wing rotates around. Where the Estes version was plastic, this is made out of plywood and basswood, which is, I think, pretty ingenious the way that they did it. But everything else is pretty much the same as you might have remembered it from the past. So you'll find this here at Apogee Components. Our web address is www.apogeerockets.com. We do have it in stock, but we expect to sell out fast, so get it while it's hot.